Adam here from Solar and Sat. Just take a run through stage one of what we've done to the 481 top end of boat. To start with, we've put a 40 litre water tank underneath there for fresh water. That runs through the washdown pump I've installed there at the back to pump water onto your bait board or motor just to give it a fresh clean. We've also wired all the instruments that's on your centre console here, that it now runs on the auxiliary battery, the 125 amp hour BTEC lithium. Also running on that Enerdrive battery is a few sockets there, and the 45 litre compressor fridge. So with the limited room that's inside the boat, instead of going the Enerdrive DC to DC, we've gone to the 18 amp Victron DC to DC. Due to being the smaller size, still does the same job, just a little bit less amperage, as well as a 10 amp 240 volt charger, and keeps the battery topped up at all times. And to monitor the whole system, we've also installed the BMV712 smart battery monitor right here on the console. With all the 12 volt system being overhauled, let us know in the comments below what we should do next. So if you need to hose down your bait board, your motor or your mate, give us a call at Solar and Sat, Enterprise Street, Bundaberg.